Take a ride in 2012 Touareg. It is the most technically innovative VW since the brand has been in existence. This Volkswagen Touareg is reinterpreting the fascinating multi-purpose SUV idea in a contemporary way, thanks to a range of engines that are nearly 20% more fuel efficient and a large variety of new assistance and safety systems, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Your new ride is just a phone call away.